You need to make some fucking noise. You need to yell. You need to, ah! Ah! A lot of it's probably in here. Ah! Ah! Try that. Ah! Do it, yeah, do it now.
They just massage?
Just massage it, like rub on it. Or go like this. Ah! Yeah. Ah! Ah! Because we have that in us. Because it's in here. And when this comes out, everything comes back easy. But we're embarrassed. We've been made ashamed of just how fucking powerful we are. I'm done.